Eva trades. Hello, welcome to EVA Trades. Leading gapper today is IMRN, up 58.5%. And we are looking at consolidation on a larger time frame. So the second leading gapper is EZFL. The third leading gapper is PACW. And over here I have WAL. Let's take a look at that first one. We'll look at the larger time frames first. So we're consolidating here on the hourly. We have inside bar, probably a tightening range on the 15. Let's take a look at their resistance is 361. Support is down here at 282. Another resistance at 327. So you get your high, low, lower, high, scouting a higher low above 282. Bulls would love to see a bounce off of 282 and to move back up towards the resistance. Note the high red volume bars here. So EZFL broke the hourly support just barely, but we haven't followed through on that break yet. Higher red volume here. 15-minute possible downtrend. Also keeping in mind that this could be a falling wedge type of pattern. You see that. Let's look at the smaller time frame on that. Yeah, so 5-minute. So, yeah, that's a falling wedge. We'll keep that there. It's healthy consolidation right now. On this particular one, we're kind of mid-range, but it's still healthy consolidation overall after this candle closed. So it's not bad. Doing the same thing here on the hourly on PACW. Only a little more follow through on PACW for that hourly consolidation that started as we broke past that last hourly candle. So we're down here bouncing off the EMA, that is the 26 EMA, just if you were wondering. Is that our higher low on the 15-minute? Well, you could look at the 2-minute time frame and look for a trend change. We don't have it yet. Right now we're just looking for a lower high. We need to see a higher low and higher high. But I'll be watching the 5-minute and the 1-minute. We do have a 1-minute trend change, so we could say right now that our 5-minute higher low, our 5-minute low is set at the moment, as we see kind of a V-shaped recovery here. Coming up towards the volume weighted average price, where are our resistances and supports on this guy? So we didn't really form a good support on the way up, at least not on the larger time frame here. We do have a pivot all the way down there. Let's take a look then at the 5-minute and see what we have for support. We had this one, but we broke. Now, interesting here is we didn't close below. We had 3 candles here that went below but did not close. Look at this nice bullish reversal doji candle here. Pretty cool. But no support on the way up. We didn't form a higher low. We do have a little bit of something there right around $7. Okay, so we have resistance up at $8.10. That is our high of pre-market. And we have a little bit of something here. A lot of lines, but it's good to have lines. I'm going to get rid of this one because we broke that support. We're back testing it now. Make a little adjustment here on this one. Okay. And you could argue that we have the same kind of thing happening over here. A little harder to draw though. I don't like that one quite as much. But you can visually, you can kind of see it, it's all right, WAL. Higher lows and higher highs on the 15-minute time frame. Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Don't worry, I'm not going to break out in song. We have an hourly inside bar, it looks like. Resistance is up at 32.04. Bulls want to hold 29.90 on this pullback. Bouncing off the EMA right now. Higher red volume on that candle. 4 minutes to go till the market opens. So nice bounce. We had that 1 minute trend change back to the bulls with a higher low and higher high. Bear flag negated. We'll see how much follow through we get. Resistance up at 31.30. Support 30.54. And if we lose 30.54, we have support down here at 30.15. So just some levels to be watching when the market opens. Maybe those will come into play. Fubo, that's a little cheap. It's popping up on the high of day momentum scanner here, but yeah, it's got a large float. 200 million in the float. Too big. Too big. Okay, so 2.5 minutes to go. 2.5 minutes to go till the market opens. Oh yes, and I traded pre-market already, just a little bit, and I'm down 38 bucks. So starting out red, that's okay. Yeah, I traded EZFL. Right in here, in this area. Lost on that. And I tried Pack W up in here. Nope, that's wrong. Over here. No, that's wrong too. Where did I trade? I think it was here. Anyways. All right, so all we have is IMRN, EZFL, Pack W, and WAL are the only 4 that I'm watching this morning. Here's a look at the scanners if you want to see those. This is the gap scan right here. 45 seconds to go till the market opens, but these are all the stocks on the gap scan this morning. Leading gapper up 56%, that's EZFL. This is the high of day momentum scanner with all the stocks that have popped up this morning. Not a whole lot. Usually that's kind of, you know, it's kind of, I don't know what the word is I'm looking for. And look at EZFL breaking out here. We'll see if we get rejected up here towards the VWAP. One thing to note is we are trading below the VWAP on all 4 of these stocks. Okay, and the market's open. So good luck today. I'm going long on EZFL on that pullback. Let's see if we get any follow through on a move up here. I don't normally hold this long in that first 1 minute of the day, first couple minutes, because things whip around so much, but I did get stopped out. I got back in, probably asking for trouble. I'm going to get back out. Things are dropping a little too much. So I'm down $90. I'm going to sit back and kind of watch a little bit. Let's look at WAL over here, coming down to that support. That is interesting, $30. And I tried to place an order there to get in, but my order is bouncing around. I'm going to cancel that. Okay. So SPY is dropping, coming down to a support. I am long on IMRN here. And I'm also long over here on WAL. Based on the fact that the market overall has come down to that support, is bouncing off of it, that's my reason for getting in WAL and IMRN. So I just sold half of WAL. And I flattened my position on IMRN. Probably could have held it for the break through the high of day, I'm thinking, but I did jump back in it, kind of wishing I wouldn't have now. SPY broke down below its support. So I did get stopped out over here on WAL. And stopped out on IMRN. So it's a little bit of a rough morning. Yeah, I'm going to have to get out of that. All right. Well, it looks like the writing's on the wall for me here today. It looks like it's going to be a losing day for me, a red day. I'm going to have to stop there because I have rules in place that tell me that if I hit my max loss, I got to stop. And unfortunately, this is one of those days. Not the price action I was hoping for, but sometimes that's just the way it goes. So this is May 8th, 5/8. And happy May 8th today. I hope your trading has gone better than mine. I'm down $207. So that's going to be a nice little red day for me. I'm still in phase 3. If I drop below phase 3, I have to bring my share size back down to a $25 risk. So I don't want that to happen. My high of day, I was never green on the day. So I'm going to finish at my low. One big old red candle. And that's going to do it. So what did I do today? I tried to get in on a couple of support levels. You know what? I'm going to do a trade review coming up after this just so I can kind of go over things and look at what it was I was trying to do and see if there's anything I could have done different. So thanks for watching. I hope you got something out of this today. One more look at the scans if you want to see that. SMX looks like it's hitting the scanner now. And it looks pretty good, actually. It's a cheaper stock, though. But if you want to see what we got here, broke over the volume weighted average price. I'd look for a retest to the volume weighted average price, maybe somewhere down here. Or the bulls by the dip right there, and it just keeps going. You got your resistance up here at $2, psychological, and you got another one all the way up at 205 is your pre-market high on that one. So the 3 leading gappers this morning didn't give me squat, except a little bit of stress. All right, we'll talk to you next time. Have a good rest of your day, and see you Tuesday. Bye.